Hey guys, Diamond Christian 21 here. Today, we got all the air conditioners running. It's 85 degrees out. We got both of the reams going. Here's the other ream. Hi guys. Yeah, both of the reams are running right now. We also got the Sharp air conditioner running too. Really condensating right now. Oh, yep, just stripping. Sharp's running as a wretched compressor with an unknown fan motor. Both of the reams have Copeland scroll compressors. Running good. Can't really see the scroll. They sound healthy. Sprinkler. That's nice and sweaty right now. It's nice and sweaty. So this one hasn't really condensated, and it's not really getting that cold. I think it might have a leak. I'm not sure though. We'll see how it does on a good hot day. But I think we're gonna probably have an HVAC tech come out here to take a look at them. 2 blades, 3 blades, they both run good. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video of an 80-degree day of all my air conditioners running. And also I didn't just turn them on for the video. They've been running for the past 3 hours. Same with the Sharp. The Sharp's been running for the past like 2 hours. I turned it on when I went out. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next one.